chances are that you clicked on this video to find out the answer to the holy question, what is En Passant? En Passant comes from France and means in passing.
Wow!
This rule was introduced the same time that pawns were allowed to move forward to squares. Sometimes pawns will move past other pawns without giving the other pawns opportunity to capture. That didn't seem fair. So En Passant was invented. Pay attention because this may be tricky. If a pawn moves forward to square and he lands directly to an enemy pawn,
King, I don't know what to do.
in the next turn and only in that turn the enemy pawn has the opportunity to capture that pawn as if it only moved one square, like this. Let's take a look at that again. If a pawn has moved forward to squares and lands next to your pawn can capture the enemy pawn but only in the very next move. En Passant is a very good rule, but with a divine spoken rule there comes an unspoken one. And that rule is about you. When the enemy pawn moves forward to squares, En Passant is forced. If you don't do En Passant, there will be unspoken consequences. It doesn't matter if you can checkmate the enemy. Keep in mind that En Passant is forced. If you understood what En Passant is, say in the comment section. En Passant forced is.
If you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe.